This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to replace your Toyota Camry remote key battery. First, ensure you have a small flathead screwdriver and a fresh CR2032 coin cell battery. These are common items, easily found. Next, carefully examine your key fob to find the small slot, usually on the side or bottom edge. This slot is designed for easy access. Now, insert the tip of your screwdriver into this slot and gently twist to begin separating the two halves of the fob. Take your time to avoid damage. Once you've started to pry it open, continue to carefully separate the two halves of the key fob. They should come apart with minimal effort, revealing the internal components. Before removing the old battery, take a quick mental note of its orientation. This ensures you install the new one correctly. Typically, the positive side, marked with a plus sign, faces upwards. Now, use your small flathead screwdriver to gently lift and remove the old CR2032 battery from its compartment. It should pop out easily. Now it's time to install your new CR2032 battery. Place it into the compartment with the positive side, usually marked with a plus sign, facing upwards, just as you observed with the old battery. This is crucial for proper function. Once the new battery is in place, carefully align the two halves of your Toyota Camry key fob casing. Ensure all edges match up perfectly. Then, gently press the two halves together until you hear a satisfying click, indicating they are securely fastened. Give it a quick squeeze. After reassembling your key fob, the final step is to test its functionality. Go to your Toyota Camry and try the lock and unlock buttons. Ensure they respond instantly and reliably. Also, check any other buttons, like the trunk release, to confirm everything is working as expected. If it doesn't work, double-check the battery orientation. For more great tips and resources, including a book that can truly change how you think about money, please check the description below this video for links and other deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.